Okay, so you can see that our composter is full. We have about 10 days worth of scraps in there. We're a family of 3. And so you keep pushing it down and it sort of packs in. We pour off the liquid from the bottom about every 2 days, and we're going to do that now. We bring it outside to do that because being a fermented liquid in the bottom of there of all of your food scraps, it has an odour to it. This is composting and it does definitely have an odour. Right, so we're going to pour this liquid off here now just by opening the tap, and I'm going to empty that liquid out of the bottom of the composter. And you can see how much is accumulated in there. And I'm going to fill this to the brim with water, so the mix is around about 200 to 1, and then pour it on the garden and the plants love it.